Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 23rd, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, Palantir closed down a little bit, 9 cents, 0.68%, closed at 13.18. Post-market, we were down 8 cents. Let's look at what we have on the chart here. Sorry, I need to put this in green. We made a higher low. We made a higher high also, but it was a very compressed trading day. Look at how we are trying to get outside of this upward channel resistance. Look at this here, upward channel resistance, upward channel that started on February 24th. So we are trying to get outside of this. Look at how precise this is. I'm not making this up. The stock is really considering this line of resistance. It's trying to break out of it. It's having a hard time. But it's still following it. It's not going down yet. So the stock is still going up. So it's fine if we don't break that resistance. At least we are part of this channel. And this channel means that the stock could be doing like this. The stock could be going back like this. So we should not get surprised if the stock does that. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. How did this happen today? So we closed lower than this resistance I've been talking about, but we reached it on the first hour, crossed it and came back underneath it. Second hour went straight up to 1350. So 1350 is another resistance that we have been following, and look at how the stock is obeying those lines. 1350, 1350, 1350, and then went down. And now we are just taking a pause a little bit. Stochastic is still above 60, so we still have plenty of power to continue. We have a MACD breakover bearish on the 1 hour chart, but that's not so bad. I would do the support like this. So we broke outside of it here a little bit. If you want to be very cautious, you can use support at 1298 or 13. Let's say 13. So you could use the support at 13 if you want to play this very tightly, if you want to play it intraday. So a break below 13 with stochastic going below 60 would mean that we are coming back down to at least 1237. But this is just for very precise day trading if you want to do that. Let's look at the indicators on the daily chart. So stochastic is still very strong. MACD is great. RSI is great. And DMI looking very close to crossing over. So this is going to be very interesting when this happens. So on the daily chart, yeah, we could easily go back to 1237. We could go back to 1194 very easily. Let's hope that if we have a pullback, that this is just the extent of the pullback, and let's hope that we are going to catch another speed and not go back towards 10 something. Let's just keep our eyes peeled and react according to, and not try to predict too much what the stock is going to do. The type of technical analysis I'm doing is trend following. So we follow the trend, and when the trend changes, we change our position. Unless it does, we stay put. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.